All right, guys, let's show you guys what we got. We got macho burger. I won't be eating this. It's for Jackie. It was a meal. We get a lot of reps that come to our office. So we got her a burger, all right, with the curly fries. Yeah, this is for you. Mommy has to heat it up, okay? Okay. We got an order of these from Shumai, and also some bows for Jackie. Happy Thursday. I'm about to change, go downstairs. I have some work I need to do. It is for a wedding coming up, and Kong's currently at something called Navigation Night, but it's realistically called Open House. I don't know why they're calling it Navigation Night, but whatever. He dropped her off at my work earlier. I am handling all dinner stuff and whatnot until he gets home later, and then I need to go to the storage unit and grab some panels. I have a baby shower that I'm doing this weekend. So one of the doctors that I work for, he and his wife are pregnant. I had the honors of doing their wedding, and now I get to do their baby shower. So super excited. I'm really excited to see everything come together. I'm personally just doing the backdrop. I'm not setting it up or anything. So I don't necessarily know how everything is coming together, but I know it's going to be amazing. But yeah, it's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. A lot to do in a short amount of time, but we're gonna get it done. So yeah, I'm gonna change, do that, and get into it. You guys probably already saw what I've been doing. I recorded it previously, like a day or two ago. So now I'm just continuing it. There are about 105 families and names I need to write. So that's where we're at, I think. I think that's where I'm at. I actually don't know. I think it was 60 something. I can't remember, but there's a good amount of names I need to do. And I need to get it done before a particular date. So yeah. My shipment of balloons came in. Let me show you guys what they look like, which is always a staple. These pastel matte pink, super pretty in color. Some 260s, and then these champagne gold. Yeah.
Why are you always playing with Corey? Here, do you want to see someone? Okay. Your turn. Yay! And then let's say hi. Who's this? Who's this? Oh, there. Oh.
What is this?
It's a beef rib.
Beef rib. And this is
Spare rib. Pork. There you go. Easy.
wow. With mac and cheese?
Yeah.
My parents literally stopped by with presents. They got me tea. You guys can probably tell. Your girl is going through it again. They got me honey. How sweet of them. They got me tea. They got Jackie ice cream. How sweet. Oh, and they got me ginger. So, making my tea soon. Shout out to my parents, you know. Go, mama! Aw, they love you. Thank you to the bestie, aka Jackie's godmama. So we're looking like a hot mess today. It's been a crazy last 18 hours or so. Jackie officially has the flu, but her godmama, my best friend, sent food for us, some porridge. So yeah, gonna open that up right now. Last night was really rough. She like threw up twice. Oh my goodness. Everything in here looks amazing. Oh, she's so sweet. Oh, this jowl looks so good. So we have some jowl or porridge or congee, however you guys call it. It'll be super good for Jackie since it's really light on the stomach. But yeah, it was just been really rough. Poor Jackie, I was terrified. Went to urgent care today. And they sent us home after getting seen. So now we're just resting.
Bye. Thumbs up.
Bye. Get Jackie, get Jackie.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jackie. Happy birthday to you.
We are on the way home.
Say hi too. Auntie.
Jackie, yo! Yo! Ooh, mama, cheese. Hi. These are so cute. Found it. I found it. Yeah. Yeah, you want to try it? gotta try this. Here. It's not bad. Here you go, babe. I thought they would be bigger though, I'm not gonna lie. They're really tiny. So this time, instead of using ground beef, I'm going to use mild Italian sausage. I figured it might taste better, which I hope I'm not wrong. We'll see. Since tomorrow is Valentine's Day, I am making little goodies for daycare and for some of the girls at work. So I need to get my boxes together.
What's this for me?
Who gave you that?
Mima?
Oh, Mima got you that one?
Yeah.
Ooh, candy.
Tuna.
It's a donut, yeah. What else?
Apple.
Oh, basketball?
Yeah.
Who is that from?
It's for me.
That's for you?
Yeah, I open.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's Jackie. Thai tea. Darlene at my work made Thai tea for our potluck, and I got to take this home. It's really good. I'll let Kong try it in a bit. It's really, really good. So Kong said for Valentine's Day, we are doing barbecue at home, K-barbecue at home. So we have brisket, we have marinated beef slices, AKA short ribs or galbi. We have our cucumber, this is amazing, it's a favorite. Rice paper, because I love rice paper, and we have radish paper. Ooh, look at that. Cucumber
Jackies.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
You're welcome.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, see, you gotta be careful.
You're trying to get food, huh? Look at him. Good morning, guys. I am about to take Jackie and Jackson for a walk. Originally, I was gonna go to the gym, but then I looked at the time and I figured it's getting a little close to the time that we're gonna be going out. So, once again, Buff Chick Hydro. I'm gonna go walk around, get some miles in, and I wanna take Jackson out for walks more and get Jackie out of the house. Going on a walk with Jackson and Jackie. Look at the snow. Arcade yet?
For Diane.
Awesome, thank you. Yeah, Mama. Your lemonade?
It's a little sour.
Decent. Ooh.
This cigar helps me slow down.
Oh.
Looking back to all I loved and lost. My heart is full and aching strong.
Yummies.
So I'll throw
So pretty.
Next year, inviting you to check out the Sunday Sit Down podcast. On this week's episode, I get together with Unlimited Life for free starting Monday, February 17th.
We walking Jackson? Are we going on a hike? Yeah. Squeezing in. You walking Jackson by yourself? What is that? It's a map? Oh, animals? You want to do it?
Saving 20 cents. 3.79. 3.29. 2.49. $20. Please wait. System processing. Follow the instructions.
What's up, guys? I am about to cook dinner. I need to clean up the kitchen. It is looking like a mess. You guys can't tell, but it's a mess, all right? And I need to get stuff going. I think I'm going to marinate things, or maybe get stuff started. I don't know. I'm in a bit of a dilemma because I don't know what I want to start first. No.
David. The one right here. The one that
Refreshment break. Non-alcoholic White Claw. This line is so good. So pretty. Hi, Jackie. Are you scootering? All right, go, go.